So, hello everyone. This is Morgan Morris, VP of Marketing at CO2 Meter and proud chair of the Marketing Committee at IBDEA. So, today I am super excited to have with us a special guest and new IBDEA member, Stephanie Morris, sales executive with Aran Group, who is a leading global manufacturer in bag-in-box solutions. So, Stephanie, first off, thank you so much for joining.
Yes, I'm so happy to be here. Happy to be a part of IBDEA and really jumping in to be about this organization.
We appreciate it so much. I know you are a huge advocate already. You're a new member. You provide such fresh insight and energy and perspective. So I can't wait to hear about your experience with IBDA, like you mentioned, and then a little bit about the company as well. So let's dive right in. So the first thing I always like to ask members is kind of how they got into the IBDA industry or beverage industry. I know your background is unique. You also have a lot of different aspects that you bring just to the association. I would love to know, was this planned path or just how did it happen for you?
Well, thank you so much. So actually, Aran USA, we're a manufacturer for bag-in-box bags. And we actually, as a group, started producing bag-in-box over 40 years ago. But we opened in the US in 2016, and I was tasked when I came on board with the company to kind of understand and grow the post-mix syrup business. And so as a result, I was talking with somebody at KDP that said, hey, if you really want to kind of learn more, why don't you try out IBDEA? And I signed up and went on my own to the very first meeting by myself without knowing people.
And you've made such an impact already so far, which I feel like is so inspiring.
I don't think I could have done that if IBDEA wasn't the organization that it is. It was so welcoming. It really felt like a family walking in, and everybody was like open and talking and who are you and what do you do? And it's been great.
I appreciate that so much. I know that's one of our pillars I feel like that everyone always talks about is it is so tight-knit and it is so family-centric. I know you've already positioned yourself just so strongly, like I mentioned with IBDA, jumped right in, super engaged, you're already part of committees, so I feel like that speaks volumes. But I know just transitioning a bit in your current role, sales executive for your company, what does a typical day-to-day look like for you? What excites you most? I always like to ask.
All good things. Any day where I start out always starts out with like silence and solitude. I always have to like start in the right place and make sure I have my head right so that as I look forward to like the rest of the day, how can I make an impact in whatever, area that I'm going in. So with Bag-in-Box, we're not just limited to post-mix. We do lots of other industries as well. But for myself personally, from a sales perspective, I always have prospecting as like a sacred time, like don't do that, and it's planned into every one of my days, and then the rest of the days are pretty fluid, whether it's visiting customers, attending trade shows, or honestly having great conversations. I do a ton of networking as well.
And I know I see you out there as well, just on the LinkedIn network and your company expanding. So I feel like that is incredible for what you guys are doing. And I'm sure IBDA members will continue to see that too. So thank you for giving a little insight. I think it's always fascinating just to hear kind of behind the scenes day to day sometimes, especially in a dynamic industry like ours. Yeah. So I know building off that, Aran Group, you guys are a leading manufacturer in this space. I would love to know if you could just talk a little bit just on the value, the product that you guys can provide to the beverage industry and IBDA members specifically that might not know that much about you. What sets you guys apart, or what could you provide for IBDA members?
Well, I think there's lots of different bag manufacturers that can make bags for post-mix syrups. Our company, we are headquartered out of Israel. So our Aran Group is based out of Israel. And that's where we manufacture the majority of our films and our fitments. Fitments are the things that attach to, sorry, I'm going to grab something for,
I love it.
This is what's on the outside of a bag-in-box bag. And so, we make sure that our product, pairs well with it. So we manufacture these overseas at our facility, and then we import them to our South Carolina manufacturing plant. But what I find is great about that, because we're kind of vertically integrated, we saw that we were able to provide product to our customers a little bit more quickly, and also for instance, during COVID, because we had items in stock, we were able to get bags to people that couldn't, usually get bags during that time when there was a disruption in supply chain. And then another thing that I would say that really sets us apart is our films. They are not put together with glues like adhesives. They are thermolaminated together, which would make our bag a little greener, and the fact that it can be recycled well, or at least upcycled in a different way.
That is super intriguing, Steffi. Thank you for sharing that. I always like to know the value adds and just get to learn more about the companies, especially newer members. So to see that kind of leverage, also the sustainability factor, I think is really great. So that shows right away the value too, and just what you guys can bring to this association and members. So I think that's exciting to see, and I'm sure other members will be able to see that as well. So I know I've learned about your background. I've learned about the company a little bit. I want to talk about your journey with IBDEA. So as a newer member, you've been able to attend networking events. You've been able to attend our past conference, which is super exciting. I just want to hear about your journey. What has your experience been like, and what has stood out to you most about the association?
Oh, great questions. And this is exactly what prompted me to want to do more with the organization. So I showed up at the conference on my own. And even though I'm a very outgoing, extroverted person, it can always be a little bit challenging walking into a space where you don't know anybody, and then go to figure it out. But when I walked in, I think there was a new member meeting, I guess, or like a social or something like that, which really kind of like broke the ice for me. And I was able to pair up with people along the way that they just kept checking on me throughout the event. And, people were just having very open conversations, which I felt like led to better business. But the thing that stood out to me the most was, because I was tasked with growing the post-mix business for our company in the United States, after the IBDA meeting in March, I had a lot of questions. I had questions about connectors, how do things go, how do you get product out? And I will say every single person that I called after the event, and I got the names through our membership directory or business cards that I collected, every single person returned my call or answered my call. And I've not experienced that type of response rate from any organization I've ever been a part of in this industry and out of it. So it made me feel like, okay, the people that are members care about the other members, and they want to see you, succeed, and they're not afraid to share good information. And because of that, I wanted to join a membership committee, because I want other people to know how great this is.
Oh, I love that so much. You spoke on so many things just there, and I think that's so great because it does give such insight, especially for someone new joining, just on how tight-knit we are again, and even competitors helping competitors, I feel like I've seen in this association, which I think just speaks volumes. You mentioned the member portal, some of the resources we have. So I think for any new potential member too watching this, I feel like they'll be able to get some of that insight that you share. But kind of looking towards the future, I also would love to know, is there any one thing specifically that you're hoping or looking to further gain just from being a part of the IBDA community?
Just staying on the forefront of trends and understanding the way and the direction that, post-mixed syrups are going. I think that through the opportunity to network at the World of Coca-Cola this last week, it was awesome to hear the direction and innovations that Coca-Cola is doing as an industry leader. And that gives me insight, so I know how to prepare or what to expect. And then not only that, being able to share that information with other customers of mine. Hey, by the way, do you know that this is going on? And it actually shows that we can provide value as a company by understanding the lay of the land.
I think that is great. That's such another insight for IBDA, and just being able to kind of get at the forefront, especially at a World of Coke or a leading manufacturer such as them, and get some of that behind the scenes insight. Technology and innovation, I feel like, is something that's continuing to evolve. So being able to be a part of the association, kind of get at that forefront, like you mentioned, and provide that value to our own customers and partners, I think is huge. So thank you for touching on that. I know it also highlights just the value that IBDA can bring and what sets us apart. So I know for those that are newer members, I would love to know, is there any advice that you would give them? Let's say someone's considering joining the IBDA. They're not sure where to start. I know you mentioned a lot of your own journey, you know, kind of getting into the conference, that new member social. Is there any advice you would give them?
I would say just get in. Just get in and show up. Networking and being a part of organizations, it doesn't matter whether it be IBDEA or your local chapter of any type of network, or you get out what you put in it. And if you go and you're just trying to like take, it has to be mutual. You have to come and you've got to show, and you've got to talk about what you do, what value you have, and with the intention that you want to help others. So if we actually check to see like where's our heart position, if we're going in there with a desire to help others, then it just, I don't know, it works out better that way.
So that's
Definitely.
super helpful advice. I think for anyone looking to find their place, you mentioned some great features and just value add that our association brings. And it's so delightful, I feel like, to hear just your experience and what the association has already brought to you. So I appreciate it so much for you just providing your insight. Like I said, you've been so inspiring to me already. So I can't wait to continue to just connect and see you at more events. Lastly, for other members that are looking to maybe connect with you specifically, Stephanie, you are in the new member committee. Where could potential members go to find you?
Sure. You can always reach me on my email address. And then we do have our company address at aranusa.com, which will reroute you to the correct address. But yeah, and then also, if you're a part of the IBDEA, you can find me on the membership directory.
No, thanks for sharing your story again and your insights. I know, like I mentioned, your presence is already such a huge addition for our community. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for chatting with me a little bit today, Stephanie. And I'm sure I will see you again real soon.
Absolutely. Very happy to be here. Thank you for giving me your time as well.